Hey guys, welcome back, and today in the shop we are working on our 1966 Chevy C10 again. In my last video you saw me working on the box there. We removed it from the truck and stripped it down. At that point we found out how rough it really was, and right now we're just waiting to see on what the decision is for that box. Whether we're going to be fixing it with patch panels, getting full new sheet metal, or what we're going to do. But today we are going to start stripping this cab down, getting rid of all the interior components and everything, because we will actually be removing this cab from the truck so that we can clean up and paint the frame, as well as paint the cab and everything else. So let's get to it. Also, the wiring in this thing is a complete nightmare. There's wires all over the place. It's a switch that I don't know what it does. Wires are wrapped around each other. There's one that's just cut. Don't know where it goes to. There's another one that's cut. Everything's all wrapped around each other, and yeah, someone did a real hack job at wiring this thing. Also, at some point, someone put some aftermarket speakers and a stereo in this thing. So I don't know if we'll be keeping that. I'll go through the wiring, rewire this whole thing, and see whether or not my boss wants to keep that aftermarket stereo. Well, there we have it, guys. The front end is completely torn apart on this thing, aside from this one piece here. All our body pieces are back here, ready to get worked on, buffed and primed and repainted. But I'm all out of time for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time.